GM, in its pursuit to build a better world, has launched a range of innovative hot water solutions. And to demonstrate their prowess, we decided to take them to two places where everyone needs them the most. First, we took them to a Holi celebration. While playing Holi, you need a place to wash out the excess color before you jump back into the action. So, at GM Rangarang Holi 2024, we decided to create a booth where they could just get a refreshing warm shower, clean up a bit, and go back to the arena to play some more. The warm, soothing shower took them by surprise, and people lined up to experience it. Second, we took them to a marathon. Marathons can be brutal on the body, isn't it? No matter how tough you are, by the end of it, all you care for is a hot water bath to relax those muscles. So, we took this unique experience to the Jito Ahimsa Run 2024 as well. We created a special zone where joggers could start their recovery right post their run. And people jumped in happily. From showcasing how our range had everything from great capacity, instant hot water capability, and ability to give consistent hot water as long as you want, to giving people a fun-filled and relaxing time. GM's range of hot water solutions pleasantly surprised those who experienced them and ensured warm smiles.